What are y'all doing? My mother said I need to go to Michael's, so I went with her. She is the queen of crocheting, okay? I'm just gonna have to put that out there. I don't brag about a lot in my life, but my mother, queen of crocheting. Also, I don't talk a lot about hair because I'm not good at hair. Y'all want hair tutorials, I would just let y'all down. I don't even know how to film them. I'm really, really bad at hair. I haven't finished my brows, but I'm here because I wanted to show y'all that I love this. I cannot live without this. Do you see this difference? Just that little bit, and it doesn't leave your hair crunchy. It doesn't, they have different scents. This one smells like peach, but they have all kinds of scents, and it's from insert name here or INH. I'm gonna tag it and I'm gonna get y'all a link. Please just get one of these. I have one in everywhere. I have one here in my vanity. I have one in my purse. I have one in my other vanity downstairs too. Just do yourself a favor. You're going to love this. And then you just do a quick boop and it actually stays like this. It's so good without the crunch. I can't stress enough how much I love this. It also doesn't leave your hair feeling dirty. Even if my hair is just washed and I put this in, my hair still stays clean. Like, I can't get over it. I just really, really think that y'all will like it. Okay, on to the next product. The reason I didn't finish my brows yet is because I wanted to talk about this. I love this. I love this so much. It's from Kosas. I know that you're probably seeing a lot of ads for it right now, and you might be wondering about it. If my opinion does matter, it's wonderful. I love how small it is, and I love how it's not too waxy, and I also love how it doesn't slide too much. It's not. I don't want to waste it on my hand, but it just goes right where you place it, and it doesn't just move around and kind of mush into everything. I will say powdering your brows first makes such a difference, but I really and truly think that y'all are going to enjoy this. It really does really nice hair-like strokes, and it wears beautifully. I've been reaching for it non-stop. Gotta make myself into a little tiny bee rose. There I am. Love this look. Okay, Rose & Ben Beauty, Labor Day sale, 15% off of our eye and concealer brushes. Wild, right? That's singles, 15% off the individuals. Okay. But listen, this set right here, see this? We got our C30. That's the one I use for eyeshadow base, concealer. E28, this is the one that I use for eyeshadow. So this is kind of how I start every single look right here. And then this is our Inner Rush brush. Listen, 20% off for this set. We've never done 20% off. This is a big deal. This is not a drill. And then last but not least, I don't know why I think it's so funny. This set with the liner brush, E27 here. I should make myself bigger so I can point right there. This is that E28, the one I start with, and then the Inner Rush brush, the E29, 20% off. This is a big deal. I'm so excited. All right, shop that. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ooh, something else I tried. I tried this, which I just posted on TikTok. I'm gonna post it here too, the review. I loved it. This is my favorite complexion product from Fenty Beauty. I've tried all the other ones and they were nice, but they weren't something that I reach for all the time and something that just didn't work out for me quite as much. I am balanced to dry, but I see this working for all skin types with the right skin prep. I talk about that all the time. It is just so pretty. I'll just swatch it really quickly for you. And I'm gonna blend it in really fast with my C42. I'm just gonna blend it here. It just melts, but it covers. It's so good. I really and truly think that y'all will like this. It's also buildable too. It's a 10 out of a 10. The leaf blower is leaf blowing, but things are getting done out there, so we're okay with that. I love these. I cannot get enough of these. I reach for these for almost every look. I try to not because I'm like, let's try something different. I just feel like they complete the lip and they're so comfortable, and I love that they're not wildly pigmented, but you do get nice color out of them, but it's not just intense pigmented gloss. And they also feel like a lip gloss oil, and that's what they are. So they just feel so much more comfortable than a gloss, and I find them even more comfortable than most lip oils. So I really, if you haven't tried one, get at least one if you can. can't take the distraction behind me right now. Well, in front of me, actually. And I'm still reaching, if not even more, for this Makeup Forever. These are their contour powders. They have the highlighters, the blushes. To be fair, the blush is the one I reach for the least. It's not a bad formula. Makeup Forever, I don't think, can make a bad formula. But it's just not a formula I reach for like I do the other ones. But the Artist Sculpt, I am telling y'all, they're amazing. And I've spoke to other working makeup artists. I never like to name drop, but they are my friends and they're some of the biggest artists in the world. And they were like, I bought it after that video and it's my favorite. So there are different shades in this. The one I reach for the most is Precious Latte, which is this one right here. And then there's Marvelous Peanut. I gotta move this Ulta bag, it's ginormous. That's for another day. But where did my other shade go? Let me find it for you. Here's the other shade. I love the highlighter too, the Bouncy Lilac. I posted about that. And then this is the little bit darker one, but it's so good. And I believe there's an even darker one. So 10 out of 10 would recommend on this formula. You know what I didn't enjoy because I just used it again for the 2016 half and half look is the Born This Way. And I actually went to Ulta today and I was like, okay, maybe I ordered the wrong shade. I do not like this formula. I do not like this shade range on myself. Remember, if you're enjoying it, we're all different. Makeup is so much fun because of that. But for me, you know, I was almost discouraged using this. I remember when this first came out and not only that, they extended the shade range. It was super yellow and super limited before. I just remember almost feeling discouraged, like I couldn't figure out foundation undertones, and I was like, everybody loves this. It's absolutely everywhere. Why don't I? Obviously something's wrong, but no, we're all different. And that's why I always say that. If you don't like something that's super, super popular, it's okay because it can be discouraging. But I don't like this. I also have something over here. I don't know if I can talk about it yet, but I really think that y'all are gonna love them. They're probably the best version of this genre I've ever tried because of the shape and the formula. Y'all are gonna go wild over it. I love how I'm just like putting things out there. Y'all have no idea what I'm talking about. You'll see it soon when I can talk about it. But it's really, really good. You know, it's really cool. I've been doing this so long now that brands, they send me things way before things launch to get my opinion. And I really enjoy that. It's really nice. Honestly, I didn't try a lot of new stuff. Next week is going to be a lot of new stuff because there's a bunch of new palettes. I did get this. I haven't even tried it yet. I was just focusing on other stuff. In fact, I'm going to focus on a helpful video after this. But I did get this. This was sent to me. Look at this. It's even my lighting shows it more true. I didn't realize how pinky deliciousness it was going to be. I like these colors. I'm excited to try it. I kind of want to do a tutorial, but with complete back camera because I feel like these shimmers are going to want back camera. I'm excited. Again, this is the Pat McGrath. This one's the Mothership Sunlit Seduction. 11, right? Yes. Roman numerals. Oh, and since I've been doing more full coverage vibes, I've been reaching for the one size Ultra Pink. I kind of want to get out my other one too. The one that's more closer to my skin tone. But I do like this one for neutralizing the yellow in my foundation. So I'll just put this on top. But I don't like this one if my foundation matches perfectly because then it gets a little too pink and then I'm like, flamingo. That's the one leg up if you're wondering. But since I'm getting a little heavier with my makeup, I'm having so much fun with that. This powder, I really like it. It's the difference would be it's pinker than the Givenchy and it's more full coverage. All right, I think that's everything. I'm gonna do a quick little makeup tutorial and a helpful video. I'm gonna film that once I'm done here. You know, sometimes I feel bad because these can be short on Thursdays, but I just don't want y'all to think that we need to buy everything. I'm so selective. I'm not even showing you things that I'm like, oh, it's cute. These are things that I really and truly enjoyed. And I just want to be selective and thoughtful with what I show y'all because I don't want this to ever be like buy. I mean, I kind of even did that with brushes because I was like, you know, we could start with certain things and I was like, let's start with something that you add to your collection and you have it. You don't just throw it away in 6 months. You have this. It stays. So I try to be thoughtful. I really and truly do, because I care about y'all so much. Y'all are my friends. All right, I'm gonna hop off and film now. I love y'all so much. Again, I just want to mention the sale again. It's kind of a big deal that we're doing 20% off of the eye sets. That's a really big deal. We've never done 20%. So if you've been waiting, now is the time, because it's going to be for a limited time only. So I'm excited about that. All right. I love y'all with all of my heart. And if nobody's told you today, I love you. All right. I'll see you in whatever I post tonight. I'll see you in the comments.